Wild and genuine are the inside jokes whispered between friends, the shared memories that bind us like threads in a tapestry.
Thank you, Prajwal. Thank you, Likita. I hope your speech is talking about some beautiful memories down to the lane. What do you say? Let us take the parents and the students to a joyful ride to have the witnessing of the beautiful school life. 10th standard, live your school life in a short video. I request.
ತುಂಬಿರುವುದರ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮತ್ತು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಮೌಲ್ಯವನ್ನ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಪೋಷಕರ ನಡುವಿನ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಬಹಳ ಸಡಿಲಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಬಗೆಗಿನ ಆ ನಂಬಿಕೆಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕಾದ ಗೌರವಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಾನಸ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಭಾಗವಾಗಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನ ತರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಂದೆ
Begin the journey. Get started. Can't wait. Thank you.
ಅವರ ಪಾದಗಳನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Without their blessings, definitely our life is incomplete. So it's a glorious movement that our students are really getting their blessings. Next, I have Radiant Bhavana. Bhavana, we request you to please take your parents and be ready.
ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬನ್ನಿ, ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗೋರು ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಬನ್ನಿ. ಮೊಮೆಂಟೋಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ.
I would like to call upon Dipanshu. Students, parents could not make out the time to come and attend today's ceremony. I request all our dignitaries, all our lovely core of our heart for and wishing them all the success in their all the parents. Teachers, I can't hear you. They are all our children. Even our blessings also.
వాళ్ళు ఎవరికి తెలిసి ఇట్లంతా ఉండేదంటే ఏమో చేయొచ్చు, వాళ్ళు చొక్కగా అంత చేస్తా అంటే ఏం పోతుంది.
I had called for Derek, Dawn, Dipanshu. Next, Giri. Giri, can I have? Please come up near to the stage. And next, spectacular Divya. Divya L. Can I have you to please come up and just wait near to the stage? Divya? Definitely, without Gautam, please come near to the stage with your parents.
ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
10th standard. Be ready near to the stage along with your parents. The artistic followed by that Harita. Harita, please come forward. Please request your parents to please accompany you. Next, Harita. Oh, I can see Harita's mom is coming forward. We welcome you, ma. Followed by Harita, I have G. Santosh. Santosh, I can say it's a very memorable moment for you and for your parents. Please. A big round of applause. I hope we all know what is the valedictory ceremony. We can see the graduates are standing in front of our eyes. Can I have a big round of applause for yourself, for us? Please put your hands together for our beloved students. Parents, children are always special to all of us. Please clap for all the children. Next, I have Insaf Jashraj. Please accompany yourself with your parent. For the girls, I would like to call upon Divya L, the very realistic Diksha. Please come forward and with your parent. A memorable moment this is, as our students are really leaving us and going to the new world. Another 2-3 months. So congratulations to us. I would like to call upon the next set of names. As I call your names, please come near to the stage and stand along with your parents. Next I have Hurain. Hurain, please come forward. The dazzling Hurain accompanying the smiling Jen. Jen, can I have your parents please come up along with you and be standing near to the stage? I have Kritika, the charming girl of our 10th standard. Next, I have Kavya Sharma. Kavya Sharma. Followed by Jeevan. Jeevan, please come forward. I would like to call upon Jugnu. Jugnu, please come forward with your parent. Definitely, it's a very memorable moment for all of us. Likita, a sweet, pleasant, cute girl. Likita, please accompany your parents along with you. Your parents and taking the blessing for this set. Mahalakshmi, exciting girl. Mahalakshmi, please come forward with your parents. I will just
పేరుపప్ప అంటే
the other children, as they all are your children only, we are wishing all of you the best of luck for your upcoming SSLC examination. Looking forward to your results and more than your parents' blessings, nothing is mattering to you. A proudful moment for all of us. I am seriously mesmerizing right command to see the parents. They have become completely.
సెట
Rekha ma'am is also completely silent as ma'am is also witnessing this proudful moment. Teachers, pray for all these students. I would like to call upon the next set of students. Please come forward with your parents. Next I have Lalit. Followed by the very... Oh my God, the jubilant Manoj. Please come forward with your parents.
అడేసినాము ఒకటే అదే ఇలా ముసుగు చేసుకో జగడి 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 జగడి
After Manoj, it is cheerful Manasa. The sparkling Nandita K. 100% optimistic Pradeep. I will just repeat the names. Please check once. It's for the boys team. I would like to call upon now to add up a little vibrant Arpita, the most adorable Arpita. Parents, as we are calling your children name, please a little bit faster way if you can accompany along with your children. We can go ahead and witness much more next set of programs also, which are very, very interesting. Next,
Next I call upon Pawan, Ashwin, Vishnu, Rahul and Rakesh. Pawan, observation person, Ashwin, Rahularis, Shri Vishnu, the stirring person, Rahul, the supporting person,
Parents morning.
Rakesh, spectacular particular person.
చిన్నాడు మంచి ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చిన్నపల్ చదువుకుంటారా వచ్చేది
Vishal, whisper word.
వచ్చలేదు వచ్చలే ఆంటీ ఇందా ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಆಂಟಿ
I request all girls, Nisha, Nishares, Nityashri, Shravani, Poonam Sharma. I repeat again, Pawan, Harshit, follow. Ashwin, a professional. Yashwant, Rajkuman,
అదే చేస్తున్నాను
Sheikh Mahal, a vibrant. I repeat, Ashwin, Jasraj, Karthik, Koranbhai, Sujan, a vibrant. Suraj, proficient. Vishal, exuberant. Yuvraj, persistent. Vedika, Rupashri,
నేను చెప్తాను ఇది వీళ్ళ క్లాస్ అలా
Sanya Jashwal. I
అంత
repeat,
ఆత్రం మేమే అక్కడ ఫోన్
Twinkle,
అంటే జగపో అంటే ఇందుకు ಬರ್ರೆ తగల ఏమప్ప జనాలు ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ
I repeat, Rafia, Reza, Rupam,
నమస్కారం పెట్టికి వచ్చేసి కాలు ముట్టక మంచి
This journey marks not just the end of an era, but
ఓనా ఓన్ చూడడా ఇది
the next is Sujan, a vibrant person, Suraj, proficient, Suhas, articulate, Srinivas, enchanted.
ఫోటో తీసుకో
Shravanti, Tejaswini, Ujjwala, Yogita.
ಗೇಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾರು ನಿಂತಿರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಪವನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು
ಇನ್ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬಾಯ್ಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ವಿಷ್ಣು
ಯಾರು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಹೌದಾ ಅದು ಗಣೇಶ್ ಅಂತ ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ನಾಳೆ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇಡ್ತಾನೆ
అది ఎవరిది అనుకోండి కెమెరా అది హరి అంది హరి అన్న
ఇది మేము తెచ్చిందా నేను తెచ్చిందా ఇదే ఇదే ఇదా నేను తెచ్చిందే ఇది తెచ్చింది
సగదు వస్తుందంట
Students, once your graduation is done, I want you to be seated.